Start off by going to 3dhubs.com. Then scroll down to select Injection Molding as your manufacturing technology and click on Get an Instant Quote. Upload your parts by simply dragging your design into the page. We support a number of file formats and are sure to keep your intellectual property safe. Then specify all the manufacturing requirements for your parts. Select the material and type you want your parts to be manufactured with. Continue to determine the surface finish and color. As you can see, information about the material of your mold, number of runs it can handle, and so on show up to the right. If you are unsure of anything, click on Learn More. 3D Hubs will instantly provide pricing for different numbers of runs. For my first order, I'll stick to the minimum order quantity, which is 500. If your parts require a specific parting line or a gate position, you can indicate these by ticking the boxes and uploading a technical drawing to indicate their positioning. When you're ready, continue to submit your request. If you already have an account at 3D Hubs, your details are already pre-filled. Then you can head over to the quote overview page. It allows you to review your quote or compare it to any other quote you requested from us. Additionally, you can share the quote with the purchasing department of your organization. Once purchasing approves your design, they can pay directly off the link you reminded them about. Then your parts are on the way.